City Street. Written by Harriet Rosenblum. Illustrated by Merrill Rainey. Focus question. What do you see in a city? Connections. Writing and art. Draw a picture of a city you know. Write the name of the city on your picture. Social studies. What is the difference between a city and a farm? Share your ideas with a partner. The steps. The sidewalk. The food. The buildings. The taxi. The bus. The people. The street. Good job!